So you use a stencil to trace out the name and or the number of what you want to make out of your stamp. I actually use an insole, an old insole. So you can use a felt, Formiron, and insole. And so after tracing it, you make it blunt, like block like, then you cut them. So these are what I cut. Then I use an old bottle or container. I use a carrot on top, then cut a round shape from a smaller and a bigger one from the insole. And so after everything, I stick them together and let them dry. Then I started sticking the letters. Actually, when sticking the letters, if you don't cut them at once, just like I cut them individually, you are going to turn it upside down. If you don't cut it upside down, when you stamp it, is going to be on the opposite side, so it's not going to be readable. So at the end, I am trying to show off the result of my work. So this is it. This is the second one, and this is the third one, as you can see.